Seventh graders, I wanted to pop on real quick and show you about your weather forecasting assignment that you'll have coming up. So you will be writing an essay about Hurricane Katrina. However, there's more information that you're going to need to add to that. So here is what you will find, and it will give you all of the assignments. So you're supposed to complete the tracking Hurricane Katrina chart, brief essay to summarize your findings about hurricane forecasting, advanced warning systems for hurricanes. You will answer all of these questions. You can go to these websites to help you find out. You're going to summarize your findings in a brief essay. So please make sure that you have all of these things inside of your items, inside of your essay. And then follow the evaluation chart and revise as needed. Here's where you'll find the rubric on what is expected in your essay. So the tracking Hurricane Katrina chart is worth 10 points. Your essay needs to include information about forecasting hurricanes. That's 25 points. Your essay needs to include information about advanced warning systems, 25 points. Your essay needs to include details about how early warning systems could have been better used during Hurricane Katrina. That's worth 25 points. The essay needs to include data from the hurricane tracking Hurricane Katrina chart. That's 25 points. The essay also needs to include sites that you used, internet sources for research. For example, if you used the encyclopedia, you can say on the Encyclopedia Britannica website, it states that. That's worth 10 points. You need to have at least a couple of sources cited in your essay. And then grammar, spelling, punctuation, that is also worth 10 points. So I just want to make sure that you guys had all of that information inside of that essay. So some of you will ask, where can I find the tracking Hurricane Katrina chart? You can find the tracking Hurricane Katrina chart in the student guide. So above is where I was just reading prior to showing you the rubric. If you keep scrolling down, here's where you'll find the Hurricane Katrina chart. You're going to need to fill that information out for full credit. You're also going to need this article, 14 Days, a Timeline. This is all found in the weather forecasting site for the project. So you're going to make sure that you read this article. It shows how they forecasted Hurricane Katrina. You're going to need this information for your data chart, for your essay. You can cite this source as well, but please make sure that you read this. You don't have to print this one out, but it is important that you have this information. And it was from Frontline the Storm. Here is the website, the date, etc. So again, this is in weather forecasting in the project section. You'll find the rubric, the student guide, and the passage that I was just discussing. And I hope that helps. I hope that clarifies some questions that some of you guys have been asking. Good luck, and can't wait to read your great essays.